Welcome parents and students. Today I'll be showing you one of the resources that your student will be using inside of my classroom, known as Khan Academy, or khanacademy.org if you want to look it up. And basically it's a website where if your student feels that they need additional help on a subject, you can come here and get additional study. So go up to the upper left corner and see subjects, and it shows you all the different types of subjects that's on the website and get additional help. So we'll go ahead and go to biology real quick to kind of see what one subject would look like. And there's a whole list of just subtopics in that whole area of biology that you can go to and specifically get help on one of those subjects. So we'll click on Intro to Biology first. And if you click on the very first thing, it's preparing to study biology. It gives you just a little overview and more information about what biology is and just a little bit of what it is. And then you go down to the next part of that session, and it has a video of biology overview, and you'll have this
I would like to welcome you.
for every subject, where there'll be this man who's talking, and it'll give like a little lesson in the area, and then more information possibly after that. But what I really like is that after you learn all the information, you have these things called skill checks, where you can immediately test your knowledge to see how well you're understanding the concept. So here's an example question. I'm just going to click a random one right now, but you read the question, pick an answer, and you hit check. And then if it's wrong, you get an X like you see down here, but if it's right, you get a check mark. And if you feel like you need help, you can click get a hint, report a mistake if you feel like that it's wrong. And that's the basic layout of the questions and skill checks. So go back to the home page. And I really feel that this is really engaging for the students because they can get these things called badges where you're basically rewarded for your progress on the questions that you do. You get the more questions you get right, the more badges you get. It's a little fun reward that your student can get. And it's also useful for me as a teacher because they can actually add me as a coach. So what that means is that if they add me as a coach, I can see the progress that they're making. So I can see where they're going wrong and how much additional instruction that the student needs for me to help them. And there's multiple little sides, maybe like my little bio up here in the corner, just to personalize it a little bit more. But it's very helpful in just helping the students get a little bit extra help whenever, wherever. You don't need to be in the classroom for this. It's online, so you're able to access it whenever.